Last month, I made over $1,000 using 5 unique ChatGPT prompts. I'll share them for free. These aren't generic prompts. They're proven to generate income. By the end, you'll learn 5 prompts that can transform your earnings. Let's dive in. Many use ChatGPT incorrectly. They ask generic questions and receive generic replies. But knowing specific prompts changes everything. After testing hundreds of prompts for 6 months, I found 5 that generated real income. Some helped me sell, land clients, or go viral. Stick around, prompt 5 is a game changer. Prompt 1, the high converting product description writer. I had a digital product on Gumroad that wasn't selling. After rewriting the page with this prompt, sales soared 300% in a week. Here's the prompt. You're a world-class copywriter who's generated millions. Write a product description for your product. Target audience, describe them. Include a compelling headline, 3 pain points with emotional triggers, 5 benefits focusing on outcomes, social proof, facts for top 5 objections, and 3 urgency-based CTA options. Use past, problem, agitate, solution. This approach is effective as it assigns a role, a framework, and clear instructions to ChatGPT. I generated over $400 last month using this prompt. Prompt 2, the client outreach message generator. This helped me get 3 clients in 2 weeks, totaling $2,000. Use this. Write a personalized cold outreach message to prospect name, who, describe their business, situation. I offer your service. Start with an observation about their business, mention a problem, hint at a solution, include social proof, and end with an easy question. Keep it under 100 words. I contacted 10 prospects with this. 3 responded and hired me. Personalized outreach yields better responses. My response rate went from 5% to 30%. Prompt 3, the viral hook generator. This prompt created content driving 50,000 views and 200 clicks to my Gumroad page, resulting in 20 sales. Generate 20 scroll-stopping hooks about your topic. Target audience, describe them. Each should be under 10 words, create immediate curiosity or controversy, use power words, make bold claims, and rank by viral potential. I test the top hooks weekly, with one always performing well. Last month, one hook drove 12,000 views and 60 sales page visits. Prompt 4, the objection crusher. Use, I'm selling your product for price to target audience. Generate 10 common objections with the psychological reason behind each, a perspective shift, a direct response, and social proof. Keep responses conversational and persuasive. This helped decrease my refund rate from 8% to 2%, increasing my conversion rate. Knowing why people hesitate allows you to address concerns effectively. Prompt 5, the money-making idea generator. This is what started it all for me and led to over $3,000 in earnings. Use it like this. Analyze my skills, list, audience, describe them, available time, hours, week, and budget, amount. Generate 10 digital product ideas to create and sell in 30 days. Provide demand reasoning, earnings potential, required resources, 3 validation steps, and a simple launch plan. It doesn't just produce ideas, it validates them as well. 2 were turned into products generating passive income. These 5 prompts generated over $1,000 last month. They aren't theories, they're practical strategies for income generation. Here's what to do. Use prompt 5 to generate money-making ideas. Then, watch part 2 for 5 more prompts. If you want access to over 100 tested prompts, check the link in the description. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Subscribe now for part 2. Prompt 10 is my best. Let me know in the comments which prompt you are trying first. I reply to every comment. Thanks for watching. See you in part 2.